Did you know Budapest is one of the most affordable capitals in Europe? It's true. Despite its stunning beauty and rich history, Budapest offers incredible value for travelers. You can eat, sleep, explore its hidden corners, and relax in world-renowned spas, all for under €40 a day. That's less than you might spend on a single dinner in some other European capitals. Forget breaking the bank just to experience a vibrant and culturally rich destination. Budapest welcomes you with open arms and a budget-friendly embrace. So pack your bags, prepare for an adventure, and let me show you how to make the most of this incredible city without emptying your wallet. We'll uncover the secrets to affordable travel in Budapest, from hidden gems to local favorites, ensuring you have an unforgettable experience without the financial strain. Get ready to be amazed by the beauty, history, and affordability of Budapest. We'll start by navigating the city like a local, utilizing the efficient and inexpensive public transportation system. Think trams gliding along the Danube, buses connecting you to every corner of the city, and the historic metro lines whispering tales of the past. Forget expensive taxis or rental cars. Budapest's public transport is your key to unlocking the city's secrets without breaking the bank. Then we'll dive into the culinary scene, discovering the best street food stalls and local eateries where you can savor authentic Hungarian flavors at unbelievably low prices. From hearty goulash to sweet chimney cakes, your taste buds will be delighted without emptying your wallet. Budapest is a city of captivating contrasts, where elegance and grit intertwine to create a unique and unforgettable atmosphere. Imagine yourself sipping coffee in grand, historic cafes, surrounded by ornate architecture and the echoes of literary giants. Then, picture yourself unwinding in steamy thermal baths, letting the mineral-rich waters soothe your muscles and rejuvenate your soul. And don't forget the city's architectural splendor, from the imposing Gothic Parliament building to the charming cobblestone streets of the Castle District. But Budapest is more than just its grand landmarks. It's also a city of hidden gems, where ruin bars pulse with alternative energy, and riverside walks offer breathtaking views of the Danube. It's a place where history and modernity collide, creating a vibrant and dynamic urban landscape that will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more. Let's be honest, big cities equal big prices, right? That's what most travelers think. But the trick is knowing where to look, what to skip, and what the locals do. Budapest offers a wealth of experiences, but navigating the city on a budget requires a bit of savvy. One of the biggest expenses for any traveler is accommodation, but fear not, budget-conscious explorers. There are fantastic options available that won't break the bank. Hostels in particular provide a social and affordable alternative to traditional hotels. They're not just about dorm rooms anymore. Many offer private rooms as well, striking a balance between cost-effectiveness and comfort. Hostels are also great places to meet fellow travelers, swap stories, and get insider tips on the best local spots. Consider hostels like Maverick City Lodge, where you can find a bed for €15 to €25 per night. These hostels often have a vibrant atmosphere, organized activities, and communal kitchens, allowing you to further reduce your expenses by preparing your own meals. When choosing your location, stay in District 8 or 9. These districts offer a more authentic glimpse into local life. Venture beyond the well-trodden tourist paths and discover the true heart of Budapest. Less touristy, more local, and significantly cheaper, these areas are brimming with character, offering a diverse range of cafes, shops, and hidden gems waiting to be explored. You'll find the pulse of the city beating strong in these neighborhoods, providing a richer and more immersive travel experience. To truly experience Budapest like a local, ditch the fancy restaurants and head to where the residents eat. Explore the local markets and food stalls where you can find delicious and affordable meals. These bustling hubs of culinary activity offer a wide array of traditional Hungarian dishes at prices that won't empty your wallet. Engage with the vendors, sample the local flavors, and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of these authentic food experiences. Seek out local spots for hearty meals costing just €4 to €6. These hidden gems, often tucked away from the main tourist areas, offer authentic Hungarian cuisine at incredibly reasonable prices. Don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path and ask locals for recommendations. They'll be happy to point you towards their favorite affordable eateries. And be sure to try langos, a fried flatbread topped with sour cream and cheese, a quintessential Hungarian street food for just €2 to €3. It's a delicious and satisfying snack that perfectly captures the flavors of Hungary. Getting around Budapest is surprisingly affordable, thanks to its efficient and well-connected public transportation system. The metro, trams, and buses can take you virtually anywhere in the city, allowing you to explore all its hidden corners without breaking the bank. Opt for a multi-day pass to maximize your savings and enjoy unlimited travel throughout your stay. A 24-hour transit pass costs just $5.50, providing you with unlimited access to the city's extensive public transport network. But Budapest isn't just about paid attractions. It also offers a wealth of free activities and experiences. Enjoy the breathtaking views from Fisherman's Bastion, a stunning architectural marvel that offers panoramic vistas of the city. And take a leisurely stroll across the iconic chain bridge at sunset, as the city lights begin to twinkle and reflect on the Danube River. These free experiences will create lasting memories of your time in Budapest, without costing you a single penny. Embrace the beauty of the city, soak in the atmosphere, and discover the magic of Budapest on a budget. Budapest. The name itself conjures images of grand architecture, thermal baths, and vibrant culture. But often, when we dream of traveling to such iconic destinations, a little voice in the back of our minds whispers, "Can I really afford it?" Well, I'm here to tell you that Budapest, with all its splendor, is surprisingly accessible, even on the tightest of budgets. It's a city where you can immerse yourself in history, indulge in delicious cuisine, and create unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. Forget the notion that you need a fortune to experience the best of Europe. Budapest proves that adventure and affordability can go hand in hand. It's a city that welcomes budget travelers with open arms, offering a plethora of opportunities to explore its hidden gems and iconic landmarks without emptying your wallet. From free walking tours that unveil the city's rich past to affordable street food that tantalizes your taste buds, Budapest has something for everyone, regardless of their financial situation. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and prepare to be amazed by the magic of Budapest, a city where dreams can come true, even on a shoestring budget. I once spent 3 glorious days in Budapest, and the total cost, believe it or not, came in under €100. That's right, less than €100 for an entire 3-day adventure in one of Europe's most captivating cities. How did I do it? Well, it all started with smart choices and a willingness to embrace the local culture. I stayed in a quirky and charming hostel, a place that not only provided affordable accommodation, but also offered a chance to connect with fellow travelers from all corners of the globe. We shared stories, tips, and laughter, creating a sense of community that enriched the entire experience. Instead of dining at fancy restaurants, I indulged in the local street food scene, savoring the flavors of traditional Hungarian dishes without the hefty price tag. From savory langos to hearty goulash, every bite was a culinary adventure that didn't break the bank. And of course, I made sure to witness the breathtaking Parliament light show from the riverbank, a spectacle that cost absolutely nothing, but left me with memories that will last a lifetime. It was one of the best trips of my life, a testament to the fact that travel doesn't have to be expensive to be extraordinary. It was a reminder that the most valuable experiences are often the ones that are free or affordable, the ones that connect us to the local culture and create lasting memories. Budapest on a budget isn't just possible, it's downright epic. It's an opportunity to discover the city's hidden gems, connect with its vibrant culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime, all without emptying your wallet. So, ditch the notion that you need a fortune to travel, and embrace the adventure that awaits you in Budapest. Now, I'm curious, have you discovered any amazing Budapest travel hacks of your own? Perhaps you know a secret spot for affordable eats, a hidden gem that's off the beaten path, or a clever way to save money on accommodation. Whatever your tips and tricks may be, I want to hear them. Drop them in the comments below and share your wisdom with the rest of the travel community. Let's work together to make Budapest even more accessible and affordable for everyone. And while you're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, destination guides, and budget-friendly adventures. Together, let's make your next trip the best one yet, filled with unforgettable experiences and memories that will last a lifetime. Because travel is not about how much money you spend, but about the connections you make, the cultures you experience, and the stories you create. So get out there, explore the world, and let Budapest be the first chapter in your budget-friendly travel adventure.